Last Saturday, on March 26, I launched a rocket at our south site, which is located in an old rice paddy on the Texas coast near Galveston. A storage container with our name on it marks the spot of the launch site. Using the GPS coordinates recorded by the nose cone electronics and using Google Earth, we're able to see the flight path of the rocket. The rocket reached a speed of 533 miles per hour, which is not quite 3/4 the speed of sound. It also reached an altitude of 1.1 miles, which is my personal best to date. Of course, the higher the rocket goes, the more chance the wind has to blow the rocket away from the launch pad during descent, which means I had to walk 1.5 miles there and back to retrieve my rocket. Rockets are loaded on the launch rail in the horizontal position and then rotated and locked into the vertical position. These videos are from cameras on board the rocket. An electrical wire and igniter are installed through the nozzle and into the motor to allow launching remotely. I use a magnet to turn on the altimeter and arm the rocket. Listen for the beeps. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I slowed this portion down so you can see the explosive charge eject the booster section of the rocket to deploy the 12-inch drogue chute. You can also see Galveston Island and the Gulf of Mexico in the background. The rest of the descent is a lot of twists and turns over and over again, so I think I'll just end the video here. The landing was pretty harsh, but the rocket survived. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time, and fly safe.